I just got my little brother to the Phantom 4 Pro. I ordered my first Mavic, the MAVIC Air to be exact. And this is the official unboxing. Am I excited? I'm extremely excited. Love flying my drone. This one, I plan to do a bunch of roofing inspections with. Bunch of needless to say, I will be going to the beach probably today or tomorrow. The MAVIC Air, 5 more combo. They had 3 color choices. They had Alpine White, Black, and Flame Red. And with this device being such a small one, my biggest problem flying the big brother, the Phantom 4 Pro, although it's a big size, oftentimes when you get that thing way up in the air, the range is 3 or 4 miles, it can be hard to see. This one's a much smaller drone, and so I went with red, so that I have a better chance of seeing it. Line of sight is always very important when you flying a drone. Here's a whole library of manuals that, I tell the truth, I will probably not read until I absolutely have to. If they have a quick start guide, I will probably definitely do that. We have the battery charging hub manual. We have battery to power bank adapter manual. We have the Fly More combo manual. We have the quick start guide, which doesn't, I mean, it's 50 pages for a quick start. The official MAVIC Air manual, intelligent flight battery safety guidelines manual, the propeller guards manual, and we're here to help DJI support. I'm guessing this here is the new MAVIC Air. I'm already impressed by the size if it's fitting in this thing. And that is it. Holy smokes. Look how big that is. Let me grab my phone for a comparison. This is an iPhone. This is an iPhone 7. This is the DJI MAVIC Air. It's a cool little carrying case to give you with it. Got the travel bag. There's a remote control that the iPhone 7 will go in to control this beautiful beast. All right, here's a set of 4 additional props in case you accidentally hit a tree or something, which I always do. This bad boy has to be sent in to be repaired. But I got 4 additional props for this one. I know people have flown drones before, never ever crashed them. That's not me. I've already crashed this bad boy once, had it sent off for repairs. I get way too excited when I'm flying. I do try to practice all the safety guidelines, make sure I don't fly over people, keep it in line of sight. but accidents do happen. First time I crashed this, it was really simple. I was bringing it back in after an aerial shot of my buddy's house, and I was flying around the van, and then next thing you know, the prop hits the antenna, bam, it slams the drone to the ground, crashes the camera, and it was game over for that bad boy. So you gotta be real careful. It's usually something really simple that will destroy your drone. Here are the extra joysticks for the controller. Now, got all kinds of cords in here. I did buy the Fly More package, which comes with a couple extra batteries. Flight time is supposed to be 20 minutes. I've heard it's more like 17 or 18 minutes, but with 3 batteries, that's normally, that's gonna be about an hour worth of flight time. There's another battery. There's another battery. And that is the case. I believe I have all the contents out of it. So, got the extra props. We have the micro USB-C for fast charging, battery. Looks like there's another battery inside. I believe this is the docking station. We can put the extra couple batteries in there. So it looks like it'll hold 4 batteries. Pretty cool little deal. And it looks, there's not a whole lot more to it. Got the power supply for the battery, got the charging cable, got the battery. Don't know what that is, but that might be the standard charger for 1 battery. I'm guessing, no, I don't know. Yeah. Yeah, it doesn't seem to fit on there. Don't know what that is yet, but I'm sure we'll find out soon. Okay. This appears here it is. Goes on there like so. Plug the USB in there. I'm assuming this is just for 1 device. But I will slowly but surely figure this sucker out. Can't wait to fly this today. First things first, gotta charge the batteries. I say I'm not gonna read all that, but I'll do adequate preparations to get this thing safely in the air and bring you amazing aerial 4K footage on a YouTube channel near you. Thank you for watching.